Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix payment method was declined on App Store. So one of the ways to actually fix that problem is maybe because you don't have enough funds or enough funds on your bank account. So please go ahead to the settings and then click your account right here. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the payment and shipping. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and add another payment method if your account or if your if your card is not working. So just go back and then click add payment method and then add the information about the new payment method and then use that to pay for your whatever may be in App Store. So if that did work out for you, if you have funds and still the payment method was declined, maybe because you haven't updated your iOS to the latest version. So go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the software update, and you're going to check if your iPhone needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now if that did work out for you, even if you updated your iOS, just go back to your general and then go ahead to transfer or reset iPhone and then click reset right here, and you gotta reset all settings on iPhone, and then basically that will fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.